Everyone thinks the best-selling cutlery sets are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, STILLOYE 40-piece set. The STILLOYE 40-piece silverware set caught my eye immediately. Priced at $35.97, it's a solid option for families or anyone who loves hosting. If you want a reliable heavy-duty cutlery set that can handle everyday use, this is worth a serious look. This set includes 40 pieces, enough for 8 people, featuring dinner knives, forks, spoons, and even salad forks. The premium 18-0 stainless steel ensures rust and stain resistance, which is key if you want your cutlery to last. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after those big family dinners. With a 4.8-star rating from over 6,600 reviews, it's clear that many people love it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't need to worry about bending or losing the shine after multiple washes, which is a common complaint with cheaper sets. Now, some people complained about the weight being a bit heavy for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you prefer something that feels substantial in your hand and isn't flimsy, you might actually appreciate this. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable set that can accommodate larger gatherings. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and delicate. For only $35.97, it's a great value for a family-size set. Now, if the weight of the STILLOYE set bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Astercook 24-piece set. The Astercook 24-piece black silverware set is another great choice at just $19.99. This one really caught my eye with its elegant black finish and ergonomic design. If you want something stylish yet functional, you should definitely consider this. This set includes 24 pieces, which is perfect for a family of 4, and it even comes with steak knives. The food-grade stainless steel means it's durable and rust-resistant, so you can trust it to hold up over time. Plus, the mirror-polished finish is not just for looks, it makes cleaning a lot easier. With a 4.6-star rating from around 1,200 reviews, it's clearly making an impression. Here's why this matters. If you're entertaining guests or just want to enjoy your meals more, the sleek design adds that touch of elegance. Now, some users mention they found the knives to be a bit dull. But here's the thing, they can be sharpened easily, and for the price, it's hard to expect top-notch blades. This is perfect for you if you love hosting gatherings and want a set that looks good on the table. Skip this if you need super sharp knives right out of the box. At $19.99, it's a fantastic deal for the quality you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday use. Product number 3, Stapava 20-piece set. Next up is the Stapava 20-piece silverware set, priced at just $13.99. This caught my attention for its modern design and affordability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing style, this is worth checking out. This set includes 20 pieces, enough for a family of 4, and it's crafted from food-grade stainless steel. With a 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, this set has proven to be a solid contender. Here's why you should care. It combines both elegance and practicality, making your dining experience enjoyable and hassle-free. Now, some customers noted that the silverware can feel a bit lightweight. Here's my take. While it may lack the heft of pricier options, it's designed for comfort and ease of use, especially for younger diners. This is perfect for you if you want something stylish for everyday dining at an unbeatable price. Skip this one if you prefer something more heavyweight. At $13.99, it's an excellent value for a basic set. Now, if you want something even simpler, the next product is a convenient alternative. Product number 4, PHILIPALA 20-piece set. The PHILIPALA 20-piece silverware set is another fantastic option at the same price of $13.99. I love the minimalist design that fits in anywhere. If you want a reliable set for both casual and formal occasions, this one deserves a look. This set also includes 20 pieces, featuring everything from dinner knives to teaspoons. The mirror-polished finish gives it a classic look that suits any table setting, earning it a 4.5-star rating from over 1,100 reviews. Here's why this matters. It's designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, perfect for impressing guests or enjoying family meals. Now, some have mentioned that it scratches easily. While this is a valid concern, the truth is that with proper care, this set can last a long time without showing wear. This is perfect for you if you value style and durability in a budget-friendly package. Skip this if you want something that's extremely robust for heavy use. For $13.99, it's a solid investment for your dining needs. And finally, if you're looking for something different, the last one on my list is a unique option. Product number 5, Amazon Basics Disposable Cutlery. Last but not least is the Amazon Basics Disposable Clear Plastic Cutlery set, priced at just $9.49. This one surprised me with how useful it is for casual gatherings or events. If you're looking for convenience and easy cleanup, this is the way to go. With 192 pieces in total, you get 64 forks, spoons, and knives. With a 4.8-star rating from 5,000 reviews, it's clear this set is a favorite. Here's why this matters. You won't have to deal with the hassle of washing up after parties or barbecues, which is a big plus. Now, some buyers found the quality a bit lower than expected, saying they bent under pressure. But here's the deal. This set is meant for convenience, not for heavy-duty use, so keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you want hassle-free cleanup for gatherings or picnics. Skip this if you prefer a permanent cutlery solution. At $9.49, it's unbeatable for disposable options. So to sum up, we've covered the STILLOYE's hefty reliability, Astercook's stylish elegance, Stapava's budget-friendly modernity, PHILIPALA's minimalist charm, and finally, Amazon Basics convenient disposables. Each has its strengths, so your choice really depends on what you value most in your cutlery set.